Cytokine storm syndrome, or cytokine release syndrome, is an inflammatory response commonly caused by viral infections. It is characterized by excessive or uncontrolled release of pro-inflammatory cytokines. To better understand host defense mechanisms against viruses, it is important to monitor cytokine production and signaling pathways during viral infections. Several identified cytokines or chemokines are known to be implicated in the human body's inflammatory responses to some diseases, including autoimmune diseases, chronic inflammation, and infections. The viral infection of COVID-19 is just one of these infections. The Sartorius Human IQ QBeads Inflammation Panel Kit allows for the high-throughput, simultaneous measurement of these 7 human cytokines and chemokines from serum samples, using just 10 microliters of sample and a validated one-wash protocol. The use of the IQ Foresight software ensures stress-free quantification of these cytokines and chemokines. This video sequence shows how it's done. Notes can be stored with the data on an experiment, plate, or individual well level to record the design and conditions of your experiment for future reference. Dose or concentration response curves can be automatically calculated in Foresight by adding compounds and their concentrations to the plate map. The 7 human inflammation panel QBeads are resolved as individual populations, each detecting one specific cytokine or chemokine. The novel visualization tools built into Foresight allow rapid analysis of your data. Time graphs highlight the levels of secretion detected in your plate. Heat maps provide fast visualization of your samples by representing data as a graduation of color to easily identify wells of interest. Foresight can automatically generate dose or concentration response curves, calculating the EC50 and other curve fit parameters for you. Different treatments can easily be overlaid to visualize differences in potency across your plate. Foresight can generate bar graphs from the dose response curves and metrics from your samples, providing powerful tools for quick insight into your data.